Hi friends, I'm using the Redmi 4 handset here, and today I will tell you how to activate the quick ball shortcut in Xiaomi smartphones. Basically, it is a shortcut that allows us to take screenshot, lock the phone, turn on the torch, and tons of other things without having to go through settings or bringing down the notification shade. And the best part is that it can be completely customized. So here's how to enable quick ball. First, head over to settings. You can even access settings from here. Inside settings, head over to additional settings and you'll find quick ball settings. Tapping on it will allow you to access different aspects of the same. It is here that you get to enable it. Use the toggle switch to enable quick ball. And you would immediately notice this. Without fiddling with the settings, jump out of the settings by tapping on the home button. The quick ball shortcut generally hides off screen when not in use, and so you will have to tap on the bracket kind of thing that we see here to allow it to reveal itself. On tapping the quick ball shortcut, you get to access the 5 default shortcuts: the home key, the menu key, the lock shortcut, screenshot, and the back key. When not in need, just tap the cross and it will automatically go back to being unobtrusive. The best part of it staying off screen is it doesn't hamper the mobile experience while you are messaging or playing games. You can even move it to anywhere on the screen. Simply hold the shortcut and drag it to wherever you wish. Now, allow me to show you how to customize this thing. Go to the quick ball settings as I showed you before. Go to settings, additional settings, quick ball. Here you find select shortcuts. This option would allow you to change all the 5 quick access shortcuts. Tap on whichever key you don't require there and assign a different shortcut there, something that you have a need for. For demonstration purpose, here I will change the shortcut for the lock screen and assign a different thing there. Just tapping on the key will reveal the options available. Here, I will select the clear cache option. So here are the 5 shortcuts which I will now be able to access via quick ball. Done. So that's pretty much all about the quick ball shortcut. In case you want to undo the change you made and want to go back to the original shortcuts, simply go to the quick ball settings again and tap on restore defaults. For those who don't want the quick ball to go off screen, simply uncheck this toggle. This would allow the shortcut to remain on the screen all the time, although you will hardly notice it. And for those who want to disable quick ball, go to the settings again, additional settings, quick ball, and deactivate it from here. Hope this video helped. If you have queries regarding this or you need additional help, feel free to reach out through comments below. Hoping to come up with more such videos in the near future. Thanks for watching.